In this tip, I'm going to show you how to customize some of the settings in Office 365. Now, to do that, you'll firstly need to go to the home page in Office 365 once you've logged in. To get there, simply select the word Office 365 in the top left-hand corner of the window. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see that there is a cog item. Select that. That will then reveal this menu where you can go and search for specific settings, or we can go in and modify things like the default theme, our start page, notifications, change your password, time zone, and whatnot. Now, if we select, for example, notifications, you'll be taken to a more extensive page where you can go in and start customizing your environment. So in here you can see we've got the same settings, the theme, the start page, notifications, look at the software that we have installed and our time zone, but we can also go in here and look at our personal information, what subscriptions we've got, our security and our privacy, and our app permissions. So again, most of the settings you want are under here, your theme, your start page, and your notifications. So easily to make. Any changes when you do those will apply across your environment quickly and easily. The way that we got to that is we went to the home page for Office 365, which we get to by selecting the word Office 365 in the top left hand corner. Then we go to the cog in the top right of that page, and we can then start customizing our settings for our environment.